welcome back. I am Bappy. This is Oh My Gel. Thank you so much for tuning in for another video. So for those of you that have already been watching or follow me on Instagram, you know that I am the natural nail guru. If there's anything that does not promote the health of natural nails, it's definitely not something that I offer as part of the services in my shop, which is why soak off is such a big deal. And that's what this video is going to be about. So I'm sorry to those who feel like they're annoyed by soak off, but it's a really big step and there's actually a lot to it. If we're not soaking off properly, we can definitely incur damage onto the nail plate. A lot of people get really impatient and frustrated with soaking off. It is a tedious task and it does take a little bit of extra time, but cutting that out and just scraping the gel off or filing it all the way down to the nail plate is not really something that's going to help the health of your nails. So I want to not just educate people on why soak off is important, but I want to find ways to make it a little bit more convenient or a little bit easier to that way hopefully minimize how many people shy away from it. So pure acetone is necessary to soak off, and there are a lot of other soak off products. One of them specifically is O.P.I soak off for gel remover. Definitely wanted to try it out because I never really gave it a good shot, especially in comparison to what I've already been using, which is just regular pure acetone. So let's check the soaking off. Right now I'm gonna show you my mom's nails. Actually, she was ready for her new manicure, so we went ahead and put these two products to the test. Let's see how they did. Okay, so I'm going to be trying out this O.P.I soak off. It's supposed to be really awesome, and the two specific things that I'm going to be looking for is whether or not I get a better soak off in the same amount of time compared to just regular pure acetone, and also how does the skin feel when I'm soaking it off. Is it more moisturized or is it as dry as regular acetone? So we're gonna try both of those things out. I have both of the hands fully buffed and ready for soak off, and I buffed them equally throughout so we don't have any advantage. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and soak this hand off with just the regular pure acetone that I've been using for a long time now. And I generally don't have any issue with it, but sometimes, especially with certain colors, I feel like it's not soaking off as much as I would like, or the skin around it is just really dry, which is probably a really common thing you gotta deal with when soaking off your nails. All right, now this one's gonna be O.P.I. It smells really nice. All right, so we have them ready to go, and we're gonna go ahead and start our timer, 15 minutes.
Almost 15 minutes later.
Right, so we're running up on those 15 minutes. Now this is the hand that we just had the regular pure acetone. I need to soak a little bit more. If it's still too thick, I'll just go ahead and buff a little more. Really on there. Let's just leave that soaking a little bit more. All right, this is the hand that we soaked off with O.P.I. Well, I definitely noticed a lot of lifting on its own. Oh yeah, very smooth. Just taking it off and seeing how much gel is lifted on its own, I'm about to feel like I need to kick myself in the butt for not using this sooner. I can definitely benefit from using an acetone that's going to help me remove that gel even the slightest bit faster or more efficiently. These two nails right here, the pointer and the other ring finger, are the ones that I had crystal pixies on, so they definitely had a lot more layers to the nail, a lot more top coats and the crystal pixie adhesion product. I should have probably filed them down a little bit more because they were a little thick. I definitely notice less dryness. If you can see between the acetone, I can see a lot of more whiteness around the cuticle. And if you look at the O.P.I nails, there is actually no dryness around the cuticle. Even if it didn't help me advance a little bit more in making it easier, the fact that my client's skin doesn't feel so dry after soaking in acetone is value in itself. I am definitely liking these first impressions on the O.P.I soak off. Right, I'm gonna lightly just grab the soft end of my buffer and finish buffing this off. So there we have it. You can see even after minutes of it being soaked off that the cuticle and surrounding skin on the hand that we use the O.P.I soak off is really moisturized, not dry at all, which is really great. And you can see all the dryness from the acetone on the other nail. And as far as the removal and the residue, it really helped clean up the nail bed much more. And you can see the moment I took off the cotton, the gel was already so soaked off, it was broken up. So first impressions are really, really awesome. I'm actually going to make sure to start using the O.P.I soak off for my clients. And I'll definitely be on the lookout for other soak off, I guess, options that are available that are supposed to be making it healthier and easier to soak off and remove gel. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted on any other products. But O.P.I, 100% across the board, they have my vote. So there we have it. We did a full comparison side by side on pure acetone and O.P.I's soak off remover. And like my old reps used to say, my AT&T days, O.P.I definitely got me on a GA because I really do appreciate the extra help that it gave in the same amount of time to actually soak the product, and even more so the moisture that it provided on my clients' nails, which honestly, that alone is such a great benefit. And being someone who really prides herself on the quality of service and the care that I put into everything that I do for my clients, if all it gave me was a little extra moisture and not dried my clients' hands out, it's definitely something that I find value in, and I'm definitely going to be using O.P.I as my remover from now on. Now, I'll definitely be trying out other soak off products, so anything that I come across or that I hear that's supposed to soak off the nail better or be healthier for the nail, I'll definitely be trying out. And if anyone out there has seen any new products trending that I haven't covered or talked about, please make sure to send me a message, DM me on my Instagram. That's probably the quickest way to get a response from me. I try to really be on top of my messages through there. And if you don't already follow me, that's cool because the link's going to be down below. So thanks again, everyone, for tuning in. If you haven't already liked, subscribed, or shared, the links are all down below, the little buttons. Make sure you click them. Make sure you're subscribed. Lots more content coming. I'm actually going to be trying out a really fun trend this week that I've been seeing literally all over Instagram and IG the last 2 days. I'm not going to give it away yet, but you're going to be able to see what I'm going to be showing at the end of this week. So thanks again, and I will catch you guys on the next one.